What's up, guys? It's Gian here with Byron.
What up, guys?
How's it going, Byron?
I'm chilling, man. Glad to be here.
You've also seen us unbox a bunch of the new Don C and Rémy Martin collaboration, aka the Just Rémy collaboration. As you know, Don C, the Chicago retailer for RCT Gallery, epic collaborator. He's done stuff with Converse and Mitchell & Ness and a whole bunch of other sportswear companies. He has like a elevated fashion, high-end fashion, luxurious take on classic sportswear. And that's what the Just Rémy collaboration is. And you might have seen a few of these pieces in previous videos, and this is the whole shebang.
The whole thing.
Right here, the Just Rémy collab. Of course, it kicked off. Let's see. Let's just go down the line.
Let's we'll go through all of it.
Of course, this is the first piece that launched is the Just Rémy 1738 Accord Royal sneaker box. Inside it, boom.
That's nice.
Some Rémy Martin cognac.
Let's get a good shot of that.
For responsible sipping. I would keep that on the shelf too.
I would, man. You know, it's like the perfect mix of you know, fashion and spirits, man. Can't beat that.
Of course, that was followed by one of Don C's signature pieces, the ball cap, but not just any ball cap.
Really dope.
Yeah, it's really dope. It's got the little snakeskin red hit in the back, also a little red back tab with that snakeskin detail. Everything's made out of lambskin leather. You know, supple,
high quality,
smooth, high quality. The gold embroidery just really brings it home. And you know, that perfect curved rim, because it's like, I don't know, it's 2019, nobody's really rocking straight rims anymore.
Not really, gotta be curved.
Yeah, you gotta have that like
absolutely
slight curve.
Yeah.
And that came out, and then that was followed by the Just Rémy basketball jersey. Of course, with a 38 on the back, 17 on the front.
Really nice.
1738.
1738.
You know what it is. Shouts to Rémy Martin. And yeah, it's made in the USA. Artisans.
That. USA made.
Artisan craftsmanship right there too.
That's nice, man. I don't know, would you rock this or would you wear this on the court too?
I mean, if I was nice with it. This is a jersey you gotta like just practice ball in.
Like, I might
just so you can just sun people on the court wearing that.
Like someone pulling up to the court in this, that would be wild.
Yeah,
that'd be wild.
Like that's like all-star game, like dunk contest fit, you know?
Facts, big facts.
Yeah. But speaking of basketball, of course, like the pregame walk to the, you know, little practice area, locker room. Everybody's got one of these, which is of course just your basic DOP kit, but this is not your basic DOP kit because it's the Just Don one. You got the gold hardware, you got the snakeskin details along the zipper here. Of course, lambskin leather. I mean, you can keep all sorts of stuff in here.
Probably one of my favorites in the collection.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a guy that travels a lot, so does Gian, so you always need a good DOP kit wherever you go.
100%.
And this, perfect.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you're spending $50 on deodorant and like $100 on toothpaste, like both of us, you just can't be carrying around no basic DOP kit. You don't spend $100 on toothpaste?
Hell no. But I like to have nice stuff too.
That's why you gotta work on your teeth, man. Invest in that $100 toothpaste, because that is what goes in this expensive
I'm keeping Colgate.
Luxury, baby.
Colgate, I'm sorry. Straight up Colgate.
I guess you can do the high-low.
Still dope. Yeah, high-low, that's it. Perfect.
Yes.
All right.
Sure.
All right.
But you gotta go all high-end if you're gonna travel like we do. And that's why you gotta travel with this amazing duffel bag.
This is tough, yeah.
You gotta secure the bag. This is the most secure bag there is to secure Just Rémy lambskin leather duffel bag.
Really nice.
It's dope.
See the red piping, of course. Gold and black detailing. I mean, just premium quality. It's really dope.
That's right, and this is all available right now for a limited time. You can get the full collection on RémyMartin.com or JustDon.com.
Yep.
So peep game.
Go
Make
cop
sure
that.
Your money's right. Go cop it.
Word.
Word. All right, well that's it. We'll see you next time.
That's it, guys.